During most of my gardening career, I gardened without gloves. I like the feel of soil. It just gave good contact with the plants. Never had a problem with it. A few years ago, I started noticing that I'm getting a lot of infection in my cuticles. And I think that's from the bacteria in the soil getting into my skin and causing an inflammation. So I decided to start wearing gloves. I tried a number of locally available gloves and I found that they were all pretty useless. They were great the first day. You put them on, they worked well. By the end of the day, there was holes in them. The weakest part of these gloves is right here between the thumb and the finger. This always cracks, and as soon as the plastic on here cracks, the cloth starts ripping and you have a hole here. The other weak spot is at the tip of the fingers. Probably because you're pushing your hands into the soil and you get a lot of friction here. But this wears out very quickly. I'd get a new pair of gloves 2 days later. They were garbage. Now I wear them for another few days, but they really didn't last very long. So last spring I decided I'm going to look around for a different kind of glove. And I found these. And I'm extremely happy with these. In fact, these are so good, it prompted me to make this video and promote the product. I'm going to put an Amazon link in the description below, both for US and Canada. And I'm sure these gloves are available through Amazon and other parts of the world as well. The company that makes these is Vigo. And you'll recognize these gloves by the great color. This is a real fashion statement in the garden. They're a bright fluorescent yellow. Now that's actually good because if you drop one in the garden, it's very easy to spot. Until it gets really dirty, then it's kind of brownish. But for a while, it's great. And I think all garden products should be colored like this. We want colors that you can see in the garden. Unlike my red-handled pruners, if I drop those somewhere, they're hard to spot against the brown soil. Anyways, back to these gloves. They're cloth on this side so they breathe easily, keep your hands cool. There's a polyurethane coating on this side which gives you protection and gives you a real good grip on your fingertips. Unlike the other gloves I tried, they don't rip quickly in here. In fact, I don't think any of mine have ripped here. Now eventually the tips do wear out, but this is after several weeks. Now these gloves are available in a 5-pack and a 15-pack, and I decided to buy the 15-pack. Used them all summer last year. And I still have all of these available. There's enough here for this summer and probably part of next summer. Now remember, I garden almost every day, 7 days a week, so I use them quite a bit. For most home gardeners, you'd probably use a couple pair for the summer. Sizing isn't a problem either. Amazon gives you a nice table of sizes to measure both the diameter of the glove and the finger length. I ended up getting extra large, and my hands are pretty big, and it's a perfect fit. I find them comfortable, they're lasting a long time, there's good sensitivity in the fingers because they're not too thick, so they're great for working around plants, but most importantly, they don't wear out quickly. So anyways, I love these gloves, don't have much else to say about them. The links below are Amazon affiliate links. What that means is that I get a very small commission if you order something using those links. Even if you order a big TV, I'll get a small commission on that, and I appreciate it. It does not change the cost to you. So use my links as often as possible. Thanks for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the garden.